Welcome back to Plants Are Speaking. Are you listening? Today's topic is spiral energy and wavelength energy. Spiral energy is found in nature in many flowers. One of the largest families, the aster family, which the sunflower is in the form of a spiral. Spiral energy is an efficient energy distribution and growth. Metaphysically, spiral energy life force is transformative. If you think of the air, for example, becoming a hurricane or a tornado, and you can also apply that to the ocean with ocean waves. Planets and galaxies are not perfect spheres, they are spirals of energy. In healing practices, in particular Reiki, spiral energy is used for healing. Wavelengths of energy are in the two halves of the DNA helix that is formed, and that is the formation of all life forms on this planet. And with the DNA helix in cell division, when cells divide, they generate electromagnetic wave of energy out into the world. So everything flows from that DNA helix that is created on this planet. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for future episodes.